I bought and tested these solar water pumps so you don't have to waste your money. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for your garden or bird bath. I'm here to share my honest experience with the top 5 solar water pumps that actually deliver results. Product number 1, DD Kaffer Solar Fountain Water Pump. When I first laid eyes on the DD Kaffer solar fountain, I was intrigued by its minimalist design and compact size. At just 6.3 inches wide and 2.3 inches high, it's incredibly lightweight, weighing only 8 ounces. The real magic happens when you set it in your bird bath or pond. I was amazed at how quickly it sprang to life under the sun. Within seconds, water began to dance and splash around. The experience was almost therapeutic. One of the standout features of this solar fountain is its environmental-friendly design. It operates completely on solar power, which means no batteries or electricity are required. This made me feel good about my purchase, knowing that I was contributing to a more sustainable planet. I placed the fountain in my garden, and it instantly transformed the space, attracting birds and adding a refreshing touch to my outdoor setup. However, there are some pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, the fountain is easy to use and set up. Simply float it on the water, and once the solar panel receives enough sunlight, it automatically starts working. Additionally, it comes with plastic retainers to keep the fountain in place, preventing it from wandering around. On the downside, the pump requires consistent direct sunlight to function, so it won't work on cloudy days or at night. I found that I had to regularly check the water level in my bird bath to ensure that it was fully submerged. So why should you buy the DD Kaffer solar fountain? If you're looking for an affordable, eco-friendly way to enhance your garden or bird bath without the hassle of wiring or batteries, this is the perfect choice. It's an attractive addition that provides a soothing water feature while attracting wildlife, making it a delightful investment for any outdoor space. Product number 2 is the Metamax Solar Bird Bath Fountain, which I found to be a game changer for attracting birds to my garden. With a price point of $16.79, it's a bit more expensive than the previous model, but the features justify the cost. This solar fountain boasts a 1.4 W power output and comes with 6 interchangeable nozzles for varying water patterns, which adds a fun twist to my garden setup. I was particularly impressed by how quickly it starts working, just 3 seconds after being exposed to sunlight. The spray height can reach an impressive 50 to 70 centimeters, creating a mesmerizing display that draws in not just birds, but also curious neighbors. Setting it up was a breeze. I simply placed it in my bird bath, and within moments, birds were flocking to it, enjoying a refreshing drink. While the Metamax fountain has many pros, it's not without its drawbacks. The included retainer keeps the pump centered, which is great, but it requires a larger bird bath to prevent water from splashing out. If you have a smaller basin, you might want to skip the nozzles. Another downside is that it doesn't function in cloudy conditions. However, if used in direct sunlight, it provides a reliable and enjoyable experience. In terms of why to buy this fountain, if you love watching birds in your yard and want to add a bit of personality to your garden, the Metamax Solar Bird Bath Fountain is a fantastic investment. It not only enhances your outdoor space, but also promotes a healthy ecosystem by providing hydration for visiting birds. Product number 3, Metamax 1W Solar Bird Bath Fountain. The Metamax 1W Solar Bird Bath Fountain is another solid option, especially if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly. This model is similar in design to the previous Metamax fountain, but has a lower power output of 1W. What I found appealing was its ease of use. Just like its counterpart, it springs to life in under 3 seconds when exposed to the sun. I tested it out in my small pond, and despite its lower power, it still managed to produce a decent spray height of 50 to 70 centimeters. The experience was delightful, especially as I watched birds come and go, enjoying the gentle water flow. It felt rewarding to see my garden come to life with such a simple addition. However, this fountain does have its pros and cons. On the positive side, it's lightweight and easy to set up. Plus, the included nozzles allow for some customization in terms of water patterns, which is a fun feature. The downside is that, like the other solar fountains, it requires direct sunlight to operate. I did notice that on particularly cloudy days, the fountain struggled a bit, which could be a deal breaker for some. So why should you consider purchasing the MadeMax 1W? If you're looking for an affordable option that still provides beautiful water features and attracts wildlife, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a low-maintenance fountain that adds charm to their garden or pond. Product number 4, Lawaho Solar Fountain Pump Kit. The Lawaho Solar Fountain Pump Kit is where things get a bit more advanced. This kit features a separate solar panel, which is a great design choice. It gives you flexibility in positioning the panel for maximum sunlight exposure. The pump operates at 1.8 watts and comes with 4 different nozzles, which allows for diverse fountain styles. This feature really appealed to me as I love experimenting with different water patterns. Setting it up was straightforward. After connecting the pump to the solar panel, I placed it in my pond and it worked like a charm. The pump starts within 3 seconds of sunlight exposure, and the varying styles of water flow kept things fresh and exciting in my garden. The built-in filter is another huge plus, as it prevents clogs from debris, ensuring smooth operation. On the downside, the kit does come with more components, which means a slightly longer setup time. Additionally, it requires direct sunlight, so it won't function on overcast days. However, the eco-friendly nature of the pump, powered entirely by solar energy, makes it worth it. If you're after a versatile and feature-rich fountain kit, the Lawaho Solar Fountain Pump is a great investment. It allows you to create a stunning water feature that truly enhances your outdoor space while being kind to the environment. Product number 5, Biling Solar Fountain for Bird Bath. Last but not least, we have the Biling Solar Fountain for Bird Bath. Priced at $19.99, this model offers a solid combination of features and usability. The first thing I noticed was the durable ABS material, which gives it a robust feel. It operates on solar power and is designed to attract birds, providing them with a source of hydration while adding charm to your garden. One of the standout features is its longevity design. Unlike other models, the Biling fountain has dry run protection, meaning it automatically shuts off when the water level is too low, preventing pump damage. This was a game changer for me, as it alleviated my worry about pump maintenance. The setup process was simple, and I appreciated the reliable solar panel that didn't oxidize over time, ensuring consistent performance. While the Biling fountain has many positives, it does require adequate sunlight to operate effectively, so it won't work in cloudy conditions. Additionally, some users may find the initial investment slightly higher compared to other models. In conclusion, if you want a durable, efficient, and bird-attracting fountain, the Biling Solar Fountain is a worthy choice. It combines practicality with beauty, making it a great addition to any outdoor space. In conclusion, each of these solar water pumps brings something unique to the table, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for an affordable choice or a more feature-rich option, there's a solar pump on this list that will enhance your garden and attract wildlife. Make your choice wisely, and happy gardening!